What I wish I knew about typewriters before I fell in love with computers. Ready for a trip down memory lane? Let's discover 3 amazing facts about these iconic machines. First, did you know the QWERTY keyboard layout was designed to prevent jams? Early typewriters often got their keys stuck, so this layout spread out commonly used letters. Second, the first ever commercial typewriter was the Scholes and Glidden, patented in 1868. It only typed in uppercase letters. Imagine typing an entire novel in all caps. Lastly, typewriters had a significant role in women's employment. In the late 19th century, they opened up office jobs to women, changing the workforce forever. So, next time you see an old typewriter, tip your hat to this revolutionary relic. Cheers to the clackety-clack.